Breathe, sit like a mountain, breathe in its silence, solid in freedom, breathe, rest your attention, light as a butterfly, rest on a flower, breathe.
Sometimes there's nothing to hold on to. And life can feel like it's really passing you by and you're flowing helplessly. But there is a bridge from one side to the other, and we're not always able to see the bridge, to see those around us who care and want to help. Sometimes expressions of kindness and the simplicities in life go unnoticed when we're hurting so much. So reach out to someone, smile, cook a meal, phone someone, and show them that you care, that you're there. Simplicity. So much gratitude. I'm so grateful just to be present, to be alive, and to have a day of stillness without too much suffering, without too much grasping, without too much attachment. Like a still flowing pond, just watching everything go by. May you be well. May you be happy. May your heart be soothed. May you live with ease. May you be well. May you be happy. May your heart be soothed. May you live with ease. May you be well. May you be happy. May you live with ease. May your heart be soothed. Yeah, the last few days have been muddy, right? And it makes you really, you can't stand in the mud. And it brings you down. But eventually what happens? The sun comes out. And there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Always. So just when you think I can't go any further, there's a dam, there's a fortress, there's something that holds us all in place. And I can't wait till the summer. I'm just gonna jump right in here, but I am really happy to be alive, to have another day just to look at this beauty around me. Look at that. Ooh. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Yeah. Put one foot, one step at a time, one step at a time, and we will get through everything. This is an example of defilements. So defilements in the mind, hindrances, what are they? Well, sloth, which means kind of laziness, anger, greed, hatred, anger, delusion. And if you take any of those, you can really personalize it or be specific as to how deep is this substance, how rooted has it become in my life, because sometimes we're not able to see the effects of our words, of our language, of our deeds, and they can be very harsh on other people around us, especially people we love. And what changes defilements is mindfulness. So when we're really practicing, focusing on breathing in, watching the train of thought, watching our aversions, our attachments, our clingings, watching where our minds go, then we're able to give space between the thoughts. We're able to see where the hijacking occurs, and then we're able, hopefully, to see the effects of what we're saying and what we're putting out into the world. And this is really important, isn't it? Because ideally you want the defilements uprooted. You want to really eradicate them one by one, a little bit at a time. Nobody wants to end up alone, bitter, nasty.